Hello and greetings, YouTube family. Welcome back to my channel. It's Gulzar Munawwar here. It's great to see you again. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to keep connected. In this episode 1 I'm focusing major achievements of ex-Prime Minister of Pakistan Mr. Zulfiqar Ali Bhutto. Zulfiqar Ali Bhutto was the Prime Minister of Pakistan from 1971 to 1977 and is regarded as one of the most influential and controversial leaders in the country's history. Some of his major achievements during his tenure are: 1. Constitution of 1973. Bhutto played a pivotal role in drafting and adopting the Constitution of Pakistan in 1973, which is still in force today. The Constitution established Pakistan as a federal parliamentary democracy and granted fundamental rights to the citizens. 2. Nationalization. Bhutto nationalized various key industries, including banking, insurance, and heavy industry, with the aim of reducing the concentration of economic power in the hands of a few individuals and promoting the welfare of the masses. Agricultural reforms. Bhutto introduced land reforms aimed at breaking up large landholdings and redistributing the land to poor farmers. The reforms led to a significant increase in agricultural productivity and helped to reduce rural poverty. 3. Nuclear program. Bhutto initiated Pakistan's nuclear program in response to India's nuclear program, and is credited with laying the foundation for Pakistan's development of nuclear weapons. 4. Foreign policy. Bhutto pursued an independent foreign policy that emphasized the importance of Islamic solidarity and non-alignment. He played a key role in founding the Organization of Islamic Cooperation, OIC, and helped to build closer ties with China. 5. Karachi Nuclear Power Plant. Under Bhutto's leadership, Pakistan commissioned its first nuclear power plant, the Karachi Nuclear Power Plant, which helped to increase the country's energy capacity and reduce its dependence on imported oil. Despite these achievements, Bhutto's legacy is also controversial due to allegations of authoritarianism, corruption, and human rights abuses during his regime. He was ultimately deposed in a military coup in 1977 and executed in 1979. Thanks for sticking around until the end. I appreciate your support. And I'll catch you in the next video.